I waited 2 years and spent $800,000 for this moment. Between the one-of-one paint and custom matching interior and 1,015 horsepower, the Revuelto is supposed to be the future of Lamborghini. But today, we're finding out if it still has the soul of a V12. From the moment it rolled off the transporter to a mysterious tech issue 5 days later, this has been the most intense week I've ever spent with a car. And it all starts right here. The story began 2 years ago, and today marks the start of an entirely new chapter. The Revuelto is here. The transporter finally arrived, and I went to collect the car. Mine was the very last one still inside. Slowly, carefully, it was eased from the back of the transporter onto the lift, then lowered toward the road. The Revuelto front and rear wheel tracks are incredibly wide, so wide it barely fit on the elevator. Every inch mattered. I stayed close, guiding the driver to avoid even the smallest scuff to the wheels. For a moment, the rear wheel came dangerously close to the ramp brace. One wrong move and it could have been a disaster. But then, the wheels touched the pavement. The Revuelto was finally on the road. Even the key is a statement, designed to match the car. But then came the most delicate moment. I had to drive this beautiful supercar against traffic and execute a U-turn in a construction zone during a tiny gap in traffic. It was uncomfortably close, but I made it. Seeing a Lamborghini online is one thing. Seeing it in my driveway is something else entirely. This moment never gets old. This color is insane. Pictures don't do it justice. This is ad personam and Lamborghini's custom made to order at its absolute best. The exterior is finished in Viola Falsifa, a breathtaking color that comes alive in the sun, shifting and shimmering with every angle. Inside, the all-leather interior mirrors the exterior perfectly. A fully custom design that had to be individually approved by Lamborghini because it didn't exist on the options list. This isn't just rare, this is a true one-of-one supercar. One look tells you this is still a Lamborghini, but nothing about it is ordinary. The iconic center line remains, anchoring the design to its V12 heritage, while razor-sharp edges and deep negative curves drag it straight into the future. This is Lamborghini rewriting its own rulebook, and out back, there's no hiding it. The V12 is fully exposed, bold, mechanical, and unapologetic. A clear message that even in the new era, Lamborghini reminds you exactly where this car comes from. Every angle feels intentional. The stance is lower, wider, more aggressive than the Aventador, but also cleaner. Even the center brake light tells a story. Shaped like a bull's head, straight from the Lamborghini badge. And none of this is just for looks. That rear wing isn't decorative. It has 3 active positions, constantly adjusting to keep over 1,000 horsepower planted. At speed, this car is actively thinking, making decisions faster than you ever could. The Revuelto introduces an entirely new aerodynamic mindset. Every surface is shaped to generate more downforce with less drag, while airflow is precisely controlled through perfect component synergy. Aerodynamics are built directly into brake cooling, and from the very first sketch, function dictated design. The result isn't just better performance on paper, it's something you feel instantly at speed. This car doesn't shout for attention, it demands it. Then you open the door, and everything changes. This doesn't feel like a car. It feels like stepping into a cockpit of a 6th-generation fighter jet. The interior was envisioned as something deeply personal, a true one-of-one that required direct approval from Lamborghini headquarters. Every surface is hand-wrapped in custom leather, finished with intricate reverse stitching that had to be created specifically for this car. The all-leather cabin and the Viola Falsifa carbon fiber steering wheel bring the exterior inside, turning the cockpit into a bespoke space that reflects emotion, craftsmanship, and intent. Inside the Revuelto, Lamborghini's design DNA is everywhere. The iconic hexagon and Y-shapes are woven throughout the interior, from the intricate hexagonal stitching and Y-shaped seat patterns to the sculpted forms that surround the cockpit. Nothing here is accidental. Every line, every angle reinforces a sense of purpose and aggression. Even the switches feel straight out of a fighter jet. Mechanical, tactile, and deliberate. A constant reminder that this isn't just a luxury interior, it's a cockpit built for speed. The Revuelto surrounds you with screens and controls designed to keep you fully connected. The passenger display turns the co-pilot into part of the experience, while the central screen puts performance and navigation at your fingertips. On the steering wheel, every button is positioned for instant access without taking your hands off the car. And directly in front of you, the driver's display delivers everything that matters. Clear, aggressive, and built for focus at speed. Here's my one-of-one Revuelto under the lights at the Lamborghini factory. Lamborghini didn't just refine the carbon fiber monocoque. They tore it apart and rebuilt it from the ground up. In the Revuelto, the structure now stretches all the way to the front, forming a monofuselage inspired by fighter jets and aerospace engineering. Constructed from advanced forged composites, this revolutionary chassis is lighter, vastly stiffer, and brutally strong. It cuts weight, sharpens response, and creates a rigid survival cell designed to protect you when everything goes wrong, all while pushing performance to extremes. But no matter how advanced the technology becomes, the V12 remains the heart of this supercar. Lamborghini's V12 story began in the 1960s with one goal: to build the most emotional engine in the world. From the Miura to the Countach, the Diablo, the Murcielago, and the Aventador, every flagship Lamborghini was defined by a naturally aspirated V12 that screamed higher, faster, and louder than anything else on the road. One look at this engine and it's obvious. Lamborghini refused to compromise. The V12 tradition is alive, front and center. This is an all-new, naturally aspirated V12, completely redesigned from the ground up. And that alone tells you how serious this platform really is. Hybrid? Yes. Quiet? Absolutely not. For the first time in Lamborghini history, this legendary engine meets hybrid power. Perfectly synced with 3 electric motors, 2 up front, 1 behind the engine. Every piece works in brutal harmony. To make it all fit, the V12 was rotated 180 degrees and re-engineered from the ground up. And Lamborghini didn't stop there. This is a total revolution. A more efficient combustion system, a high-flow exhaust that roars at high revs, a redesigned intake for insane torque, upgraded oil and water circuits, and a high-speed valve train with new HLA tappets. All while shedding 33.5 kilograms or 74 pounds. The result? 825 horsepower from the V12 alone. Add the electric motors, and the Revuelto rockets past 350 km per hour or 219 miles per hour. Up next, the V12 cold start. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Listen to the cold start of the V12. It's so loud and violent that it sets off the alarm of the adjacent parked BMW every single time. This engine isn't just powerful, it's an absolute beast. The engine delivers, but numbers and sound only tell part of the story. Let's see how it actually drives. The Revuelto was delivered to me with just 40 miles on the odometer, essentially from Lamborghini's post-production testing. The Revuelto's key slots into a dedicated docking cradle, and starting the engine feels strikingly similar to firing up a jet fighter. The red drive mode selector lets you cycle through the driving modes. Cheetah for electric city driving, Strata for hybrid use, Sport for sharper response, Corsa for the track, and Corsa ESC off with electronic protection disabled. This is the sound of the V12 on a cold start. For the first few minutes, the engine idles and warms itself while the Revuelto moves quietly on electric power. Then, once everything reaches temperature, the V12 wakes up, finally delivering its full power to the rear wheels. I slowly eased the Revuelto out of the garage, starting my very first test drive. Rear visibility is limited. The exposed V12 fills the mirror, an incredible sight, but it also hides what's behind the car. Every movement has to be precise. This is where the technology earns its place. The rear view camera and side cameras guide the car through the narrow driveway, inch by inch. Tall bushes press in from both sides, clearances tighten, and there's zero room for error. My focus narrows to the screens, the mirrors, and the slightest movements of the steering wheel. For a moment, everything feels tight. One wrong move could end the car story before it even begins. But then, the Revuelto clears the driveway, the road opens up, and the first drive officially begins. The torque from the electric motors hits instantly. There's no delay, no buildup, pure violence. It feels like riding a wild bull. Every muscle tensed, every inch ready to throw you off. Yet somehow, it's controlled chaos. The engine screams. The chassis writhes beneath you. There's no buildup, no warning, just raw, unrelenting power. And you're hanging on for every second. This is what it feels like to be truly alive behind the wheel of the Revuelto. It's a hypersonic rocket. But as incredible as the future feels, it still comes with a few quirks. And this is where things get interesting. Here's the first puzzle. Lamborghini no longer includes a wall charger for the high-voltage hybrid battery. Instead, the Revuelto expects the V12 engine itself to charge the battery and keep it alive. That's unusual. So why make that call? What happens if the car sits in storage for weeks or months? Does the battery slowly degrade? And if it does, this isn't a small component. It's an extremely expensive one. The philosophy is bold. It's as if Lamborghini is saying, if you want range, drive it. Let the V12 do the work.
So how did that feel?
Wonderful.
Is that great?
More power.
Nice.
Power to spare. So what's my verdict after a week and 1,015 horsepower? The Revuelto isn't just an Aventador replacement. It's an evolution. And a revolution. Smarter, faster, more complex. But when that V12 screams past 9,000 revolutions per minute, Lamborghini's soul is still very much alive. And the $800,000 question? Yes, it's worth every penny. I'm heading back to the Lamborghini dealership to uncover what's really going on with the Charger and that light, and the answers might surprise you. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the update. See you in the next video.